Hello art lovers! Welcome to my free drawing tutorial channel. Let's move on to the second part of this 6-part series on facial features, which are the eyes. You can download the required file from the Telegram channel in the description. You must have learned to create the basic lines by now. So, after that, I will use a pencil and charcoal pencil to create the main lines, such as the iris line and the eye. To draw the iris circle, I can rotate the paper to make sure it is round and circular. Then I add the main dark lines, such as the details or the pupil line, using a charcoal pencil and mark their location. I also mark the location of the eyelashes using a charcoal pencil. Since the eyelashes on the lower eyelid are lighter, I use a mechanical pencil. I also draw the eyelid line and the details on the lower eyelid using a pencil. I use a number 8 flat brush to add a gray to the work and define the shape of the eye. To create some shadows, I have shortened the tip of this brush by 1 to 2 millimeter with a cutter so that I can create thinner shadows with it. I rotate the paper so that I can create shadows in different directions. For the upper eyelid, I use a number 6 filbert brush. And wherever I want to create softer shadows, I use a number 0 soft flat brush. I can draw the volume of the eyelid with these shadows. I also draw the shadow inside the white of the eye with the same filbert brush. With a charcoal pencil, I define the main and dark lines again. Then, with a number 0 soft flat brush, I soften the parts that I drew with the charcoal pencil. And then with the hard brush, I draw a general shadow in all parts of the eye. Now it's time to draw the iris. I use the brush 8 for general shadows and the blender for small and detailed shadows. At the same time, I use the charcoal pencil, the small brush, and the paste eraser to draw the details of the iris. And now, I use the pencil eraser to draw the skin texture. Wherever I want to create soft lights, I use the paste eraser. Wherever we feel that the shadows could be darker, or we need darker textures, we use the filbert brush number 6. At this stage, I use the brush, the filbert brush, the blender, the pencil, and the charcoal pencil simultaneously and draw all the details. Using tools is a very important skill, and you need to learn to use them all at the same time. Don't worry, you will gradually become a pro at doing this. In the next step, I will use the mechanical eraser to add thin, light textures. I can also use a blender for some textures. I rub the blender with charcoal powder and add details with it. For the lights that are very bright, I will use an electric eraser. From here on, I will use all the tools and examine all the parts layer by layer and draw bright and dark lights wherever they are needed. Remember to always pay attention to the original photo. In this course, our goal is to be able to draw exactly like the original photo. As you can see, we will add light and dark layers. We will continue to do this until we create the right grays inside the iris. To create some sharp edges, I can use a white charcoal pencil and increase the contrast of the work. I will add eyelashes again with charcoal pencil to make it as dark as the original photo. I will also draw the eyelashes on the lower eyelid with charcoal pencil now. You can draw the tiny veins inside the eye with a mechanical pencil and create the soft light inside the white of the eye with a paste eraser. I hope you enjoyed drawing this eye. You can write your questions in the comments section so that I can answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Good luck, my friend.